Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a successful financial seminar, and there are 7 steps to a successful financial seminar, and we'll read that 7 steps to understand about it, and we are going to read it on covism.com. So let's go and let's read it out without wasting much more time. 7 step to seminar success. Many people are hungry for financial information. They can trust financial seminars are a great tool to get in front of these people. But planning and executing a successful seminar can be a lot of work. Cubism is dedicated to helping advisors and their clients create a shared vision for the future. We understand that it is easier for a client to stay on their current path rather than create a new one. However, with the right plan, you can help prospective clients as well as grow your business. One way to grow your business is to host a seminar and position yourself and your firm as trusted advisors. In my role as a certified financial planner at Sequent Planning, I've been using seminars successfully to build business for a number of years. So what does it take? Follow these 7 steps to a successful financial seminar. Step number 1, selecting the right seminar topic. What's the key ingredient in selecting a seminar topic? Ask yourself, how can you add value to your client's life based on something they believe they understand, like when to claim social security benefits or harvest from other income streams, but tend to make poor decisions about? Your seminar topic needs to be impactful and important to the audience's financial well-being. Topics such as transitioning to retirement, making smart social security decisions, retirement income planning, managing taxes in retirement, and managing investment risk during retirement. Step number 2, focused versus broad. Select a focused topic for your seminar. It works better than a broad brush approach. Your goal is to help participants challenge prior assumptions about topics like social security or planning for retirement. Focus on presenting a decision making framework, how to solve a problem. Misunderstanding or bias about how something works often causes poor financial decisions to be made. We've been running a seminar series each year covering a range of topics with the goal of using these educational sessions as part of our overall efforts to build our firm's brand in the local marketplace. This might cause us to sacrifice some short term revenue, but we've found the long term benefits of this philosophy have paid off for the growth of our business. Step number 3, define your objective for the financial seminar. Educating participants is our primary objective when hosting a seminar. Host your seminar in educational settings such as a local library or university. We found that when you educate, only half the room wants to learn about the topic. The other half wants to know if they are doing it right on their own and decide if they should outsource dealing with their financial issues to an expert. It's important to note the goal of the seminar is not to make sales. The seminar is vehicle that will help make sales, but this event is neither the time nor place for sales pitch. Focus on education and positioning yourself as a subject matter expert or industry influencer, and you'll do yourself and your prospective clients a favor. Step number 4, find a strong partner. As important as your seminar topic might be, I found that finding a strong partner has also been a key factor in the success of our seminar initiatives over the years. We started off partnering with a local university, and our first seminar was presented in conjunction with a member of the faculty. Besides the professor being very knowledgeable and an excellent speaker, this partnership gave us credibility that doing a dinner seminar just doesn't provide. We currently partner with our local public library system. In addition to being a well known entity in the community, the library plays a big part in publicizing our seminar series, ultimately impacting our success. Step number 5, selecting the right venue. We found that hosting a seminar in a neutral educational setting adds impact to the impression that we are trying to cultivate. This isn't to say that successful seminars can't be held in other types of venues, but I'd suggest giving this aspect of planning your financial seminars the attention that it deserves. How does the venue work with the message you are sending? Does it portray the image of your firm that you are trying to convey? Step number 6, marketing the seminar. Our marketing is simple. We send out one piece of mail listing the 25 to 30 seminar session that we will be putting on over the course of the year to our list about 6,000 people. That is the extent of, of promotion of our sessions. Clearly, we have the advantage of being known in the community because we've done these sessions for several years now. And step number 7 is following up. We don't ask attendees to sign in. Instead, we offer a free consultation and put the onus to the on the attendees to contact us. This way, we only expend our energy on qualified leads, those who have opted. Next, we will follow up twice and only twice. We are very conscious about coming across as a trusted professional advisors and not salespeople. So that were the 7 steps to a successful financial seminar, and I hope so. You guys understood everything and every step of this article, and that was the today's video. And let's end this video here. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.